Hey listeners, welcome to yet another episode of the Holoware Tech Podcast. I'm Nazia, and in this episode we will be exploring the world of robotics and smart factories. So let's get started. What's robotics? It is the fusion of computer science, engineering, and technology to create autonomous machines. These robots have mechanical parts, electronic components, and softwares that directs their actions. They are designed to handle tasks that might be dangerous, repetitive, or tedious for us humans. Imagine a factory where robots aren't just following commands but thinking and communicating. That's a smart factory for you. Here, robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things create a super efficient and adaptable manufacturing environment. Let's walk through a day in a smart factory. In the morning, robots assemble products with incredible precision, and by midday, they are packaging items tirelessly, ensuring consistency. And by evening, robots with advanced sensors perform quality control, catching defects human eyes might miss. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of collaborative robots or cobots. Unlike traditional robots that operate in isolation, cobots work alongside human workers, enhancing their capabilities. They are designed to be safe and easy to program, making them perfect partners for human workers. Artificial intelligence and machine learning plays a crucial role as well. Modern robots use AI to learn from their experiences. For instance, if a robot encounters an issue during assembly, it can learn from AI and adjust its process, becoming more efficient over time. This self improvement is what makes AI so powerful in manufacturing. And let's not forget about 5G connectivity. This new generation of wireless technology provides faster and more reliable communication between machines. Industrial robots streamline operations, improve productivity, and ensure consistent quality. As technology evolves, their role continues to expand, offering new opportunities for automation and efficiency. One of the latest advancements in this field is the integration of edge computing with robotics. Edge computing allows data processing to happen closer to the source, such as on the factory floor rather than in a distant data center. This reduces latency, making real time decision making much faster. For example, ABB, a leader in industrial robotics, recently unveiled a new robotics system that uses edge computing to perform difficult operations like welding and material handling with greater precision and speed. Now let's see some of the real world examples. Tesla's gigafactories, where robots and AI work in harmony to produce electric vehicles at an unprecedented scale, or BMW using digital twins to simulate and optimize production processes. But it's not just big companies. Small and medium sized businesses are also adopting these technologies to stay competitive. While the technology is impressive, let's not forget the human element. As smart factories become more common, the demand for skilled workers who can operate and maintain these advanced systems increases. Training and education are crucial. Workers need to adapt to new roles, often from manual tasks to more analytical and supervisory positions. Ultimately, Robotics and smart factories are transforming the manufacturing landscape. This technology offers incredible benefits from increased efficiency and quality to enhanced safety and adaptability. While there are challenges such as the need for investment and cybersecurity concerns, the potential for growth and innovation is immense. Thank you for tuning in to the Holoware Tech Podcast. I hope you enjoyed this exploration of robotics in manufacturing. Until next time, this is Nazia from Holoware signing off. Stay informed and stay connected. Goodbye and take care.